Hello, this is Katie Chen, and welcome to another episode of At Home with Katie. This easy, homemade raspberry lemonade slushie makes a fun, refreshing drink. It's perfectly sweet, while not being too sweet, and it's ideal for barbecues, potlucks, picnics, and a treat for the kids. Raspberry lemonade is one of those homemade drinks my family enjoys all year round, but especially during the warm summer months. This recipe includes Fortune Delight and SunnyDew. Fortune Delight is designed to cleanse, nourish, and energize your body with only 10 calories per pack. SunnyDew is loaded with antioxidants and essential minerals and enhances flavor. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. In a blender, mix all the ingredients and blend and enjoy. Tip: if you'd like, next time, go without the slush and just make it into a lemonade. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you'd like to see more, please visit Sunrider's YouTube channel for more At Home with Katie recipes. And for information about Sunrider or its healthy living products like Fortune Delight and SunnyDew, be sure to visit us online at sunrider.com. and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Cheers! I'll see you next time.